Hello all. In continuation of our last video regarding first chapter of class 8 geography, today we are going to discuss type of resources and their classification. As we already know, resource is any substance or service available in our environment from which benefits can be derived and it has some utility. Now let us focus on types of resources. It is classified mainly in two parts, that is natural and man-made. Then classification of resources on the basis of origin, stock, distribution and development. Natural resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification, that resources are called our natural resources. Example for this may be air, water, petroleum or anything which is given by the nature and we are using them as it is. And human-made resources, when human use natural resources and modify them by applying their knowledge and invention and make some further source to satisfy their needs, it becomes human-made resources. It may be machines, vehicle, road or anything which have some utility for satisfying human requirement. Classification of natural resources. It may be classified on the basis of origin, exhaustibility, distribution and development. Let us understand all resources on the basis of exhaustibility. Under this, resources may be classified as renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed very quickly. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities such as solar and wind energy. Or it may be of air, it may be air, rivers, soil or anything. Then non-renewable resources. Those resources which have a limited stock. Once the stock are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed. For example, coal, petroleum, etc. Now, on the basis of origin, resources are classified as biotic and abiotic resources. Abiotic resources are non-living while biotic resources are living things. Soil, rocks, minerals are biotic, but plants are biotic resources. They are living things and they are non-living things. So living things are called biotic resources and non-living things are called abiotic resources. Now on the basis of distribution. On the basis of distribution, resources are classified ubiquitous and localized. Resources that are found everywhere like the air we breathe are ubiquitous, but those which are found only in certain places are called localized, like copper and iron. On the basis of level of development and use. It is actual resource and potential resource. So actual resource are those resources whose quantity is known and these resources are being used in present time, and potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity may not be known and these are not being used at present. they could be used in future time. Example for that may be uranium found in Ladakh. That could be used in the future, or high-speed wind were a potential resource 200 years ago. Today, they are an actual resource, and wind farms generate energy using windmills like in Netherlands. So, now I am going to conclude this video. In this video, we discussed types of resources. In this video, we discussed types of resources, the classification of resources. In our next video, we will discuss their conservation. Thanks.